Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing. This time we have the StilGut or StilGud or StilGut or StilGut, I don't know. Exclusive accessories case for the Acer Iconia W4 820. As some of you might know, I bought the actual tablet a few years ago when it was released, and I'm still using it. Alright, let's have a look at the case. Now this is supposed to be a case with a stand, which is the main reason I got it. It has a fox leather feel. It's definitely not leather, of course. You can open it like this. Okay. Oh, that's very nice of them. Something to clean your tablet. I'm using a screen protector, very poorly applied, but yeah, it's nice. You place the tablet here and then the various angles of attack. Here's my tablet, like this, and it is alright. Okay, so you have one position, second position, and I guess a third position if you want to, and the fourth position here at the end. Not bad, not bad. The maximum down is at about 45 degrees, and on the other side this is about 80 degrees. Yeah, not bad, not bad. The keyboard here, well, not exactly here, but for this video here, and you have a nice little computer. Nice. Let's close it. I like it, I like it. Protects it a bit, and it works. And of course there are the appropriate holes. Very nice. Definitely recommend it. Well, as long as it doesn't just dissolve into nothingness, but I doubt it will. Future trust step here. Today, 2023, the case is still fantastic. It hasn't aged a bit. You do not see any damage on it. There is no weird smell, nothing melted. It's like new. Now, I haven't used it outside my apartment at all, so I don't know how it would react to weather elements, but at least inside it's fantastic. I highly recommend it. If I were to pick another case, I would definitely think about getting another from the same company. Well worth the money. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.